I've never seen this before. We go right up this ravine.
Okay, so I just need to go like right over here.
Yeah, if you want to come up to like maybe like right where those rocks are, to see us probably.
Okay.
I'm gonna be very slow, just kind of picking my way up through there, and then we get on top of this mountain and we pop back out on 15 there, and we'll come back down and get you.
Okay.
Cool. Is that fine? Should just.
Yep.
It's real short. It shouldn't take us like 5 minutes max.
You're fine. It gives me a second to catch my breath.
Okay. I'm kind of curious about that though too. Maybe. Tell you what. What we'll do is we'll go up it and turn around and come right back down. I forgot you can hear me. Okay? So we'll be back right here.
Okay.
Because I'll...
Oh.
Wow, that's interesting. Guess we'll go back down it and then up the rocks.
Oh.
Back down it and then up the rocks. Yeah, because we want to go up the ravine. Yeah. We went up this one, it was wet. And I fell over like 3 times.
Jeez Louise.
And it does this like 2 or 3 more times on up the hill.
Jeez Louise.
This is what hard enduro is the whole time.
No thanks.
It's fun to watch though.
Whoa.
Oh. And this is where it's... Oh, I'm fine. This is just where it sucks not having electric start. Okay. Interesting. Ah! Holy cow! Can't wait to hear what my heart rate is.
Yeah.
Hear me?
I just saw my mate at the top.
Whoa.
Yep, there's you.
I might lose you for a second.
You're fine.
Oh! Oh. All right. Back down, 91. All right, I think I'm back.
It's not up to you. Yeah, you're back. I hear you now. Oh.
Hey, is Mason down there?
Yeah, he's down here. You're coming back the other way.
Yeah, I'm doubling back the way we came up. Oh. Okay. Oh, this thing's getting hot.
I bet. I don't think that took 5 minutes. I think it took less. Have to go up there and turn around somewhere, or does it just come back down?
Whoa. Shoo! Oh, garbage.
That's rough.
Yeah. Smell the coolant in this one? Shoo! But what's crazy is you get to the top of this climb and you could do the rest of it. It's like one of those greens or whatever. Blues or whatever they are. At the top is just a trail. It's just either this climb or this ravine's the only thing that makes it hard. And then this 58 is really long, really fun, but it's got 2 short, steep off-camber climbs that are so easy when it's dry, but when they were wet, none of the 3 of us could get up them.
Scary.
Yeah.
The off-cambers make me nervous.
Yeah. Because you got to carry momentum.
I don't do that. At least not today on the first day back on the bike.
Yeah, we'll give you a pass. Let's go see what else we can find off.
You gotta think I've only been able to ride this one time, really, in the trails at home, and it blew up there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we'll do.